Barkley, let's pack our bags. Let's call the station. Let's grab a cab, make a reservation for China.
Hey, bring me a hunk of an old Chinese Jew.
You'll meet some new people.
Get some new kicks. See some new places. You eat with sticks. In China. Take my advice. Don't eat the rice.
Your ears hang low, do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow? Do they dangle to your toes? Can they wrap around your nose? Do your ears hang low? Wow, noisy carrot!
Cats have short, pointy ears, and they keep them very clean.
Meow. Still not clean.
Oh, me got 6 cookies, and boy, me feeling grand. 6 cookies in this dish here in me hand. 6 cookies, and me happy as can be, though they not take that away from me.
Oh, hi, Cookie. Gee, I couldn't help but notice you got 6 cookies here in your plate. I know you won't mind because I'm so hungry if I just help myself to 3 of them. Thanks a lot.
Wait. Oh.
Was a time when I did not eat cereal. Oh no, I had never tasted it, had never tried it. So then one day my dad said, have some cereal with me. Cereal tastes really good and it's healthful, you see. I said I taste it, I'll give it a whirl, and now I am a cereal girl.
Aphrodite, gentlemen, offers to exist. It's the most remarkable word I've ever seen. Aphrodite, gentlemen, offers to exist. I wish I knew exactly what I mean. It starts out like an A word, as anyone can see, but somewhere in the middle it gets awful queer to me. Aphrodite, gentlemen, offers to exist. If I ever find out just what this word can mean, I'll be the smartest bird the world has ever seen.
I'll show you the world, there's so much to see. I'll show you a flower, I'll show you a tree, and how the stars sparkle, and how the moon glows. I'll show you a truck, I'll show you your toes. I'll show you the world, there's so much to do.
Elmo visits the firehouse. Yay! This is Elmo's friend Susan, and guess what? She's a firefighter.
Hi.
Oh, Susan is going to show us what to do if there's a fire. Elmo was just in Hooper's store when there was a fire.
Yes, you were, Elmo.
Yeah.
And what did you do?
Oh, well, Elmo had to get low and go like this. Who could that be? Come in.
Want to talk to a firefighter?
Oh, boy! Elmo can talk to his friend, Firefighter Richard! Yay!
Don't forget us!
Oh, yeah! Elmo can talk to everybody!
Thank you, firefighters! Thank you, firefighters! Thank you, firefighters. I love you.
Asian, nice bow. You're gonna feel the energy real slow. And you're gonna sit into it. Silly Willy! Tap and toe. Toe, toe, heel, heel, brush back. And sway, and out.
Hi, Elmo.
What's going on, Big Bird?
Well, Elmo, we know you're very busy getting ready for your countdown. But listen to this. Get ready, Birdie, please. Hey, if you know this, sing along, okay? She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain when she comes. She'll be coming round the mountain. She'll be coming round the mountain. You're coming round the mountain when she comes.
The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Yeah!
The wheels on the bus go swish, 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 swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says, move on back, move on back. Good, move on back. The driver on the bus says, move on back, all through the town. That's the doors. The doors on the bus go open and shut, open and shut, open and shut. The doors on the bus go open and shut, all through the town.
First you clap your hands, then you stomp your feet. It's a very simple dance to do. You guys are great. You guys are really good dancers. I didn't know how good you were. Wait, I forgot to tell you. There's another little step or two. Hey guys, you'll turn around and touch your toes. It's a very simple dance to do. Clap your hands, stomp your feet, turn around and touch.
Let's do a dance that's called the jelly. Jiggle to the beat, arms and legs and belly. Jiggle head to feet until you feel like jelly. Mushy jelly, let me hear you sing. Jelly, 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 jelly. That's the jelly. Let me hear you be wobbly.
Don't come back!
Elmo knows this is tricky, but what part of the body do you need to bend your arm to tickle your nose?
I go to Cincinnati every year to see my mother.
Well, do you know the answer? Do you? Elmo knows? Yeah! such a neat emotion. It'll give your feet a happy notion. If your toes get tired, rub in some lotion and they'll feel swell. So come join Elmo. You'll be happy when you see me tapping. Better make it snappy. Don't get caught napping. Tell your man and Pappy that you're happy tapping with Elmo. Happy tapping with Elmo. Yeah! Here we go. Waddle, waddle, hop, hop. Waddle, waddle, hop, hop. Wait. But Elmo wants to learn more about wild animals.
We are wild animals.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Elmo can talk to wild animals.
Yes.
Wait, one at a time. Elmo can't hear.
Wanna talk to a shoe?
Who said that?
Down here.
Oh. Yeah. Elmo can talk to a shoe.
Let me tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a shoe. I have lots of parts. See this? That's called my tongue.
Oh, well, Elmo has a tongue.
Oh, that's funny, Elmo. Okay. Now, this down here is called my heel.
Your heel, right there.
Yeah, and further up there, that's called my soul.
You got soul.
I sure do, Elmo.
Yeah, can Buck tell Elmo more about getting dressed?
Sure. My title is The History of Getting Dressed.
Oh, boy. Open up and let's see what's inside, Buck.
Okay. Back in cave person days, people got dressed in cave person clothes.
Wow, a dressed cave person.
Later, in ancient Rome, people got dressed in togas.
Oh, look! Dorothy's imagining Elmo dressed in a toga. Toga! Now more! Who could that be? Let's find out.
You want to talk to a bicycle?
Yeah, we could talk to a bicycle!
Not without me.
Oh, and a helmet!
I go everywhere bicycle goes. I protect your head. You never get on a bike without me.
Oh, well, Elmo will remember that. Helmet. Thanks, Helmet. Oh, now it's your turn, bicycle.
Oh, funny you should mention turn. See, you can turn me with my handlebars, see?
Oh,
neat.
You can also pedal my...
You want to hear the story of Pecos Bill, too?
Pecos Bill was a rootin' tootin' cowboy with no fear of a critter, big or small. He was the bravest and the best. He put the wild in Wild Wild West. He was the ridingest, ropingest cowboy of them all. Yodelay, 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 yodelay. Ridingest, ropingest cowboy of them all.
Look, Dorothy's imagining...
I'm the top banana. Talk to me, kid. Thank you.
Are you a banana?
Am I a banana? Kid, I'm the top banana. Thank you.
Because Elmo wants to know more about bananas.
Kid, you know more about bananas than you think. Thank you.
Really?
Absolutely. Like, what do you call this yellow part on my outside? Thank you.
That's the peel. The peel.
Right. Thank you. And what do you call this part on the inside? Thank you.
Well, that's the fruit. Yeah, the part that you eat.
That's right. And it's good for you. And we're healthy. And that's it. Thank you. Kid, you know enough about bananas to be a banana. Thank you.
Wanna talk to a birthday cake?
Wow, yeah, we can talk to a birthday cake. Yay! Oh, is it fun being a birthday cake?
Yeah, it's a piece of cake. Ho, 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 ho.
Tell Elmo more about birthdays, Cake.
Well, for starters, birthdays are to celebrate the day you were born.
Oh, look! Dorothy is imagining Elmo being born. Oh, boy, George is almost a daddy. Oh, boy, Gladys is almost a mommy. It's a boy. He is so cute. What are you going to name him? Elmo.
There are lots of different kinds of singing. I sing opera.
Look! Dorothy's imagining Elmo singing opera.
It's the three Elmos.
Figaro. Figaro. Who's this Figaro guy? Go figure. Oh. Figaro si, Figaro la, Figaro si, Figaro la, Figaro si, Figaro la, Figaro si, Figaro la. Figaro si, Figaro la, Figaro si, Figaro la, Figaro si, Figaro la, Figaro si, Figaro la.
But there's also rock and roll singing.
Blue, blue, blue suede shoes. 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 Baby, blue, blue, blue suede shoes. Da, da, da. Thank you very much.
And